Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to connect Gravity Forms with your CRM. For this example, I'm going to be using Fresh Sales, but without having to pay for the Zapier integration. So using the email notification from Gravity Forms. So to get started, you'll need to have a Zapier account, but assuming that you're set up with Zapier, you just go to zapier.com. Then what you'll do is you're going to go ahead and make a Zap. So I already have this set up. I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. So you click Make a Zap. Then on the first step, you're going to set up what's called your trigger. So this is what causes it to run. And essentially, you're going to use the email parser by Zapier. So you can just come here and type in email parser, and it'll come up. You're going to have a trigger off of a new email. Then on the Zap inbox, you'll have to connect it, which essentially on the previous step, and right here you'll see it says parser.zapier.com. So I'll go ahead and pull that up. So in the parser, you'll go ahead and you'll hit create mix. So it's going to give you this ID right here, which is essentially the email address that you need to have your emails go to. So you're going to take this address, you're going to go into your forms inside of WordPress, and you're going to go to the form that you want, and you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to notifications. Then under notifications, you'll have your admin email. So you're going to go ahead and click edit. And then in there, you'll put in basically where you want the email to go. So let's go ahead and let's check this out. So I already have the mailbox set up here for this KN2. So what I've done is I've had the notification email come in here. So what happens is that when the notification email comes in, it's going to look like this, and you're going to have your different information. So whatever it may be for you, whatever your form is, and you're just going to select the different areas on here that you want. So actually, I'll show you a live example for this. So here's the new inbox we created. We can come here. I'm going to put this as notification email. Go ahead and click update notification. And then I'm going to go to entries, and I'm going to have it. So I think I come here and do resend notifications. So here, I'll just have it send there. So I'm going to send this. I'm going to click resend notifications. Should have sent. So here inside of this, I'll click view emails. Here's the email that came in. So you're going to click here on template, and you're going to click here to create a template. So this is what it's going to look like. You can rename it if you want. So you could rename it like, Gravity Form or whatever. And then so you're just going to select the different fields. This, you're going to name it. So this I'm going to call lead ID. And then this I'll call homeowner. You get the point. So you'll set all those up, and then you'll just click save address in template. So I'll give it something unique. No underscores. Set that up. Save address in template. Then you're going to come back here. You'll have the mailbox selected. You'll come to test this step. So you'll click that. It's going to pull in the sample, which it has for me here. So you'll see it has the template here with the extraction, so the ID, the home type, the lead ID, the shade, the homeowner. That's what I was requesting. Then what you'll do is you're going to go ahead and click this plus button to do add an action step. And so you're going to connect Fresh Sales or whatever CRM. So I mean, you could connect Salesforce, you connect Zoho, whatever. For this one, I'm using Fresh Sales. So you'll select Fresh Sales. You're going to use update lead. So if you're using Fresh Sales, use update lead because you do create lead. If they submit it again, it's going to create a duplicate lead. So update lead keeps you from having duplicates. And you're going to select the account that you want. Basically, all you're going to do then is you're just going to select these drop downs, and you're just going to map the appropriate fields. So for instance, for me, I have the lead ID, I have the email address. So I just map those into the different fields. So for this one, say if I had shade, right? If I wanted to, here's the shade, so the parse is the output of the shade. And so obviously it's not the first name, but I mean, you get the point, is that whatever the fields that you select in the template, if they come in, you're just going to map those to the appropriate area. And then what you'll do is just click continue, and then you'll just send the test to fresh sales, and that's it. So that's how you use the email parser instead of having to upgrade to the Zapier add-on for Gravity Forms to connect Gravity Forms with your CRM.